Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to see the Professor Associate as well as the Assistant Professor vacancies notification from one of the UGC approved university. So here the UGC pay scale you will get, guys. So the candidates who are looking for such type of opportunities, please share this video to your friends or colleagues. It will be very much helpful to them. And to get more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that Unacademy is starting the complete courses for the NTA UGC NET preparation from 1st May 2021 onwards. So here the electronic science candidates, the complete batch is going to start from 12th May 2021 onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, guys. The links are kept at the description box of this video, and for more details you may watch at the end of this video. Coming to the present content of the video, here it is the university's OPJS University. So established by the Rajasthan State Legislature and approved by the University Grants Commission. So it is a good college, guys, because it is approved by the University Grants Commission. So in this one, whatever the programs are offering by this university, that is School of Engineering and Technology, Commerce and Management Studies, Computer Science and IT, Architecture and Planning, Hotel Management, Library and Information Science, School of Science, and Arts and Social Studies, Foreign and Indian Languages, Education and Physical Education, Journalism and Mass Media Communication, School of Law, Pharmacy, Paramedical Sciences, Philosophy and Research, School of Fire and Safety, and from these departments, whatever the schools and the departments are there, so from all these departments here the vacancies are announced. So you may check down in the recruitments, guys. Anyhow, I will provide this link in the description box of this video, so you may check down very carefully. And it is advertisement from the university, guys. So OPJS University, approved by UGC. Appointments 2021. Applications are invited for the following posts in various disciplines. So Professor Associate and Assistant Professor vacancies in the subjects of Commerce Management, Pharmacy, Law, Computer Science and IT, Engineering, Architecture and Planning, Fire and Safety, Science, Library and Information Science, Hotel Management, Paramedical Science, Physical Education, Agriculture and Journalism. So really it is a very good opportunity, guys, because most of the subjects or the departments, the vacancies are announced here, and the qualifications and experiences and the pay scale is also as per the UGC or BCI or the ACT or NCTE norms. And here the administrative posts are also there: Registrar, Deputy Registrar, Controller of Examination, Director Research, Digital Marketing Head, Account Officer, Charter Account, HR Head, IT Expert and Web Designer. So administrative, teaching as well as the non-teaching vacancies are also there. So we can tell that really it is a huge vacancies from the multiple departments are there here. So retired persons with age below 62 also can apply. So all the interested candidates, you may send your CV or else the resume or else the biodata to the rd@opjsuniversity.edu.in. If you want to get the more details, you may check in this one, but please note down the contact number, guys: 8265963445. 8265963445. So it is the contact number. If you are having any queries regarding this notification, you may contact that number, guys. So anyhow, this university from the Rajasthan. So these are the details, complete details regarding the Professor Associate and the Assistant Professor vacancies as well as the administrative vacancies from the OPJS University approved by the UGC. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities. And if you are having only post graduation in these departments, then you can send your resume, guys. If you are having PG plus UGC NET also, send your resume. And if you are having the PhD, then send your resume. Fine. So here, based upon their university selection procedure, they may send you the mail or else the message or else the call for the further procedure of the selection. So share, guys, it will be very much helpful to your friends or colleagues. And to get more notifications like this, subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows. So listen, guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwini Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video, I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGC NET candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UG Senate paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is the electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose, I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video, guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here, if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos, you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans, guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UG Senate paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide